Jay McKay ta' 27 sena minn Newcastle u Louise Cliff ta' 26 sena minn Manchester iltaqgħu f'Big Brother 2011. Jay huwa rapper filwaqt li Louise hija modella. Għalkemm għall-bidu tnejn kienu xi ftit mistħija, avventura li kellhom matul il-programm qarbithom lejn xulxin. It-tnejn ħassew li kienu l-aktar nies onesti fid-dar tal-Big Brother fejn ma qagħdux jixxenaw il-kameras iżda kienu huma nfushom.
You're constantly aware that they're there, but at the same time it doesn't bother you that much.
Kien il-management tal-koppja li suġġerixxa li Jay u Louise jiġu Malta għal tala u fil-fatt waqt li qegħdin f'pajjiżna jiċċelebraw l-erusija tagħhom ħabbru li se jkunu qegħdin jiżżewġu f'pajjiżna wkoll is-sajf li ġej.
Come home with
Yeah, we're going to get married here as well.
Yeah, in the summer.
Are you?
Yeah, we're going to get married here in the summer, yeah.
Il-koppja qalet li Malta ġbithom ħafna u kien għalhekk li ser jiżżewġu f'pajjiżna. Louise qalet li tixtieq tkompli l-karriera li qabdet fil-qasam tal-modellar filwaqt li tiftaħ anke fashion line tagħha personali fil-qasam tal-kpiepel.
The fashion and makeup, I kind of want to have my own
Try and bring out our own
one
range,
day,
yeah.
like eyelashes, and in the house I wore a lot of hats, and I've got a lot of young followers, like young girls who love my fashion and
Want to know about our
want to
makeup
know
and
about
everything.
everything. Yeah.
Fuq is-sit elettroniku Twitter, il-koppja għandhom il fuq minn 150,000 ammiratur.